Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy. Do you want to upgrade or change the center armrest in your BMW? I'll show you how. All right, guys, so let's talk about this project a little bit and the reasons why you might want to do this. Now, my car today is going to be the brand new G87 M2, and they make a really cool and performance center armrest that I really like. Plus, it's Alcantara and it's really soft. For whatever reason, actually the center armrest, the leather feels kind of rough, which is weird to me. Plus, I love the way this looks. So maybe your center armrest is torn up or it's been faded, kind of has that permanent elbow dent in it because you've been driving your car, or you want to do an upgrade. The process is going to be exactly the same. So I want to show you how you can get this done. We're going to jump into the back of the car. So let's get started. All right, y'all, so here we are in the back of the car. It's the back of the armrest, and everything we need is hidden back behind this cover. So what you're going to want to do, and mine's loose already a little bit, but basically you're going to want to get your hands on both sides. Potentially, you could slide a plastic trim tool in to help you pry this loose. But as much as you can, if you can use your hands and just kind of pull on both sides, which I'm not going to be able to do one-handed right now, but this cover will come loose. Now, if you have any outlets or anything similar, because this process is going to be the same across multiple BMWs, but there's a series of clips that hold this into place. If you have any outlets or power, watch out for those cables, but this should just slide off.